What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you 10 quick ways to speed up your slow PC running Windows 10, Windows 8, or Windows 7. First, we need to find programs that are resource intensive. So we need to open Task Manager. So you can do either right click on your taskbar and click on Task Manager, or press on Control, Shift, and Escape. And then Task Manager is going to appear. Then click on More Details. And right here, you can live at the process and you can see which application is using a lot of RAM memory. In my case, I have Firefox open. It's using almost a gig, and OBS Studio is running, is actually recording this video. It's also using 300 megs. Other than that, you can scroll down, find any apps that you are not recognizing. For example, Microsoft Store or something else. And then you need to click on End Task and then close few applications, and that should help. The next thing we need to do, we need to close system tray programs. So right here at the bottom, either if you're going to see this little caret, or maybe you're going to have a bunch of programs over here, just click on caret or choose a program that you're not sure what it is. Like for example, this Splashtop, WiredX Display, and then you can right click on them and click on exit, and then just choose other programs that you don't know or maybe that you don't need and they're actually running. You can just right click on them and close them. Then we need to disable programs on a startup. So same thing, either right click and click on taskbar or press on Control, Shift, and Escape. And then in here, we need to select Startup. And right here, we need to find programs that are running on a startup. For example, Cortana is disabled, but Microsoft OneDrive is enabled and I'm not using. Just press on it and then click Disable. Next time you're going to start up your computer, it's not going to start up on a startup. And if you are actually using Windows 7, most likely you're going to have to press on Start and type msconfig and then press Enter. And in here, you'll have to click on a startup and disable the programs in here on a startup. But in Windows 10, they actually changed that to a Task Manager. Then we need to reduce animation. So to do that, right click on a Start and then press on Systems. And then in Systems, we need to press on Advanced System Settings. And then in here, we need to click on Settings under Performance. And then this window is going to appear under Visual Effects. We need to check Adjust for Best Performance, and all this is going to disappear. Then click Apply and then OK, and then OK one more time. Then we need to lighten our web browser. So for example, if you're using Google Chrome, just open it up. And right here, we need to click on this three little dots, and then we need to click on More Tools and then go to Extensions. If you're going to see a bunch of weird unknown extensions that you don't know of, or maybe you don't use, just remove them. Or you can turn them off. I'm just going to, for example, I'm not using Honey. I'm going to remove that and then remove. And then if you're going to see any other more, the ones that you actually not using, or maybe they were installed by default, you can remove them. Then we need to scan our computer for malware or adware. So open your internet browser and then go to Google and type Malwarebytes and then press enter, and I will put link in the description for it. And then open up malwarebytes.com website. And then in here, click on Personal, and then Malware for Windows, and then click on Free Downloads. And once download is gonna complete, you can right click on it and show in folder, or you can just run it from here. Then once this window is gonna appear, click on Personal Computer, and then click on Install. And then I'm gonna skip this because I don't want a browser guard. Once installation is going to complete, you'll see this window. You can click on Get Started, and then it's going to try to offer premium. I'll just click on Maybe Later, and then Get Started. And then right here, just click on Scan, and it's going to start scanning your system for malware and adware. And for example, if your system is going to have premium trial, in 14 days, it's going to expire, and you're not going to have to do anything. And then once the scan is complete, if it's going to find something, it's going to give you an option, either quarantine or delete. The next thing we need to do, we need to free up some disk space. Just press on Start and type Disk Cleanup, and then open up Disk Cleanup app. Once this is going to appear, you can check every single box here and then click OK. And then once it's going to run, it's going to remove everything. Then open up Disk Cleaner again and then press on Clean Up System Files. And then over here, same thing, you can check every single box and it's gonna give you an option to remove old system files such as all updates and everything else. And then over here at the top, you can see if you check every single box, it's gonna free up 12 gigs of disk space. And then press OK and it's gonna start cleaning up. Next thing we need to do, we need to defrag our hard drive. So press on Start and type defrag and open Defragment and Optimize Drives. And then in here, just click on Optimize. And once it's complete, you can click on Close. Then we need to uninstall unnecessary programs or apps. So to do that, click on Start and type Control Panel and open Control Panel app. And once this window is going to appear, you can click Uninstall Program, or if you view by not category, but for example, large or small icons, then you'll have to click on Programs and Features. And then in here, just scroll through your programs, find the one that you're not using, just press on them and uninstall them. And for example, after trying every single thing that I showed you here and your computer is still running slow, before upgrading to SSD, if you are not running already, you'll have to reset your computer to factory default or recover. In this case, before doing that, you need to back up all your data and make sure you have licenses for your software that you're using on your computer. And then you can click on Start and type Reset This PC and then open up Reset This PC System Settings. And in here, you'll just have to click Get Started. And then there's going to be an option to keep my files. That way it's going to remove all the apps and settings, but it's going to keep your personal files. Or you can remove everything and it's going to basically delete everything out of your system and reinstall operating system. And then your computer is going to have brand new out-of-the-box experience. And this is pretty much it. And if this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.